Takot ako magalit. Kasi kilala ko sarili ko eh. Oo, mabait ako. Pero kapag nagalit ako, nag-iiba yung ugali ko. I can't be mean if I will hurt you by words. Nawawalan yung preno yung bibig ko kapag nagagalit ako. Kaya as much as possible, don't trigger me kasi in the first place, natatakot din ako para sa sarili ko kasi kaya ako makasakit using the fetal below the belt na mga words. My mouth gets really disrespectful when I'm mad. That's why I always choose to stay silent rather than to fight back. I may be kind, but one thing for sure is that I become so rude every time I reach my limits.